Hello everyone, let's enhance our knowledge, and today we are going to solve this interesting question. How many triangles do you see? We have a really big giant triangle with a lot of lines inside, and we need to find our option A, B, C and D, and we need to find how many triangles are in this case. So right now pause the video and write your answer, write your suggestion about how many triangles do you see, and after 10 seconds we will solve this interesting question. I swear it will be a really interesting and tricky one. So right now write your suggestion about the answer. So let's start to solve it. Take a look. I prepare for this video this thing, I prepare this paper for this video, and let's count together how many triangles do you see. So take a look. The first one is on the top. This is our first triangle. The second one, if we add these parts to these elements, we will have, of course, the second giant triangle. The third case, if we add this part to this element, we will have a giant triangle. We will have our third triangle. The fourth is a giant one with all of these lines inside. It is the fourth triangle. The fifth triangle, as you can see, this is on the top, on the left side. So this small triangle is the fifth triangle inside. And the sixth one is in the middle. So step by step we find this triangle. This is the sixth triangle. So let's go next. Right here, as you can see, we have 6 triangles. So you can check it real quick because I take my next paper. So right here we have 6 triangles. Let's go next. I find this paper. So as you can see, what we will have? We will have the seventh is right here, and we add this bottom part step by step. So as you can see, sixth case or fifth case was this element, and we add one part. So as you can see, we'll have 8th triangle, this one, we have 9th triangle in the middle, and we have 10th triangle, the same as in the same logic as before. We'll have 10th triangle. If we add one small part, right here, we will have 11th triangle, this giant one, and we have 12th triangle. We add this part to these elements. We will have, of course, right here we will have 12th triangle. So right now we count 12 triangles. So let's go next. Check it real quick if you don't understand. If you understand, I find another paper. So right here we'll have 12 triangles, and I found another paper. So as you can see, what we'll have, our 13th triangle, we add these parts from here. We will have this triangle will be a 13th triangle. And let's do the same logic. Let's add this part to these elements. We will have 14th, our 14th triangle. We will have 15th, we add bottom part as well. This is 15th. And 16th triangle is, of course, on the right. So this is, as for me, this is the obvious triangles. And take a look what we're going to do next. If we add these two parts, as right here, we will have our 17th triangle. And if we add on the right, this one and this one is 17th, and this is 18th. So this is our 18th triangle. So check it real quick. Right now we count 18th triangles. And let's go next. The last paper, as I found. So right here we have 18th triangle, and take a look. If we add, using the same logic, if we add one element from here to here, we will have our 19th triangle. And if we add an element right here, we will have our 20th triangle. If we use the same logic, let's add these elements. We will have 21 triangle, 21st. Adding one more in the bottom, we will have 22nd triangle. And the last step, let's use the same logic. Let's add this bottom part and these bottom parts. As you can see, we will have our 23rd triangle, and in another way, 24th triangle. So I count 24 triangle. If you're interested in this, if your answer is the same as right here, 24, option D, so this is good. If it's not, remove this video to behind and check these triangles before I put these papers right here. So we found 24 triangles. If you enjoyed this video, if your answer is correct, if your answer is option D, this is good. Like this video, give a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Option D. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.